How to remove Instagram account from phone. In order to remove Instagram account from phone, you could either log out of your account or permanently delete it through the app settings as well. So for this, to log out of your Instagram application, you tap on the Instagram app login and tap onto the initials and tap on the menu bar from the top right. Scroll down to the bottom. There you find logout. Simply click that out. It's going to ask you to confirm. So tap the password and security options and you could go ahead and check your login activity as well if you want. Otherwise, you could just simply log out and that's going to help you out to log out of the Instagram account for phone. And if it is locked out in other devices as well, then tap on the menu bar on this page, then go to account center, after which come to password and security, click on where you're logged in and select the account that you have, and then you could select the device from where you want to log out. This is one way of logging out. The other way to remove Instagram account from your device is to manually delete your account. That is, you have to come to the same page, account center, and instead of accounts, you need to click on the deactivate or deletion, and that way you'll have successfully removed your Instagram account. So this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.